Big What's up, YouTube gang? Y'all know we about to react to Jake Paul pulling this fire truck. Is it real or is this nigga just capping? Let's get straight into this video. Let's go. And I'm eating healthy, organic. I'll be snagging on these, Alright. In my opinion, he could be capping. I don't know. But everybody else saying it's cap, I don't know. But I can tell you, Ben Askren better hope Jake Paul was trolling. But if he actually is doing that, Ben Askren is in trouble. That's my opinion on it. Keep working, my brother. Good luck to both of y'all. April 17th is going down. That's all I gotta say. I'm about to set your motivation. I'm out.